Weeks after a mother and her son in Linton Park, St. Anne were murdered, community members are living in fear. And even though the alleged attacker was killed, the scar from the incident doesn't seem to be going away anytime soon. TVJ's Shamela Pullen visited the community and now reports.
Tuesday, August 28, 2018, a day which lives as a bitter memory for residents in Linton Park, St. Anne. On that day, 32-year-old Alicia Francis, her 10-year-old son Jamani Jackson, met a gruesome death. Days later, their alleged killer, 41-year-old Orville Scarlett, otherwise called Bull, was mobbed and killed. The evidence of that jungle justice was still plain to see when TVJ News visited the community last week. More than a week after the incident, the house where Alicia Francis and her 3 children used to occupy is now empty. 2 of the children survived the attack, Miss Francis's 12-year-old son and her daughter. The son was also chopped, but the girl escaped unharmed. The children's grandmother, Millicent Redmond, said they're not doing well.
I see Tia, the little girl, and she not talking to me. Sometimes you see him smile at you. The little boy know, if you ask him how he feeling, write on a book and show you. So he's fine, you know. But me not think he's fine.
Miss Redmond is also worried that her grandson would not be able to do the primary exit profile exam PEP. Linton Park College School is where all 3 children attended. After learning about the incident, teachers and students had to get counseling. I am sitting at the exact seat where 10-year-old Jamarni Jackson used to sit for about 2 years. His classmates are still trying to come to terms with what happened. Jamarni's teacher, Leotha Gray, was traumatized.
It's like each time I close my eyes, I would just see the children in front of me.
The incident is still fresh in the minds of community members.
I don't even know who take him. Because I turn fool. Me just say holla murder, murder. Because when me go back around and now I'm going to realize that Tico dead, that and the mother died. I said, Jesus Christ, man. And me run out, further out to our next neighbor. That's where me see the little girl. Sad, weak, afraid. People leave their house, home, don't go back. Because we could never believe it would happen.
And this is one incident residents say they will never forget. Reporting from Linton Park in St. Anne, I'm Shamela Pullen for TVJ News.